local band Sonic Boom, and I hope I'm not blocking anybody in the back. Got a great band here. Thanks, guys, for being here with us this morning.
Thanks for having us.
So tell us about you guys and when you guys got formed.
Well, we formed about a year ago here in Tallahassee, and some fellows that I work with and two bands that we knew, and we kind of put them both together, and we're out there having a great time.
And talk about some of the venues that you guys have performed at.
Well, we were perform over at St. George Island at Eddie Teaches during the summertime. We'll be over there in June and July, and we also do some performing up in Georgia and Thomasville at the Plaza.
And talk with us, who's your inspiration?
Well, I think we draw from a lot of inspirations because, you know, we're a couple years old, but we pull from everything out there, modern, some of the old classic rock, country as well. And we're working on our first album right now in the studio and, you know, writing some tunes and having a great time.
And tell us about that album, some of the songs that are on there and where you guys are getting your writing from.
Well, I think we're going to probably be doing, it'll probably be called Roses in the Snow. Carlton Collins over here, our lead guitar player, is a Nashville writer, and we're really fortunate to have him, and we'll probably be doing mostly things that he writes, and we all jump in and add some lyrics and music as well.
What is it like being in the studio, working together in your spare time, I guess you could say, because I know you guys are also busy with other things going on.
Well, you know, at this point in our careers, to have a second chance, so to speak, is wonderful, and these are great guys, and the band's really based on friendship, and so it's just, we're just on, you know, tiger by the tail, and we're taking a ride.
And where can we catch you guys performing next?
Next we'll be at the Plaza, I believe, in May. May 3rd.
May 3rd? Okay, and your CD's coming out when?
Our CD, hopefully, we're looking to release the beginning of next year.
Okay, beginning of next year, but we're going to get a chance to hear...
You're going to hear the title cut tonight.
Okay, wonderful. This morning, yes. It's early, right? Yep, so we're excited to hear that. And for more information, how can people check you guys out?
They are able to check us out at www.sonicboomband.com is our website, as well as Facebook, and you can also go to the GTS Entertainment Group website. That's our agency representing us, and we've got a nice little
Gulftown Services. Okay.
A little bit of a blurb on there as well, and you can see what we're all about and the songs that we play.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks you guys for joining us this morning. Looking forward to hearing from you guys.
Thank you.
We'll still to come on WTXL, ABC 27 News at sunrise. Walt Disney.